final poem tonight is the Ernie Duncan, and he's a wee kid.
Shoot me, my wee pal would have liked some of Margaret's dumpling, but never mind. I'm a wee kirk house, and I haven't got a name. But on Muckle Kirk, on the corner is my hame. With the cock and the steeple and the bell, the gang's ding. And I wish I was big enough to go at year ring. I can sing all the psalms, I can say all the prayers. And a while do a dance up and down the pulpit stairs. I ken all the texts, I can find them in the book. And there's mony a human being when you notion what the book. When the minister says, firstly, and the folk all settle down, I get creeping in among their Sunday sheen. And I'm wishing as I'm junking for the passage to the pew that they maybe drop a pan drop up a peppermint chew. For I'm sometimes awfully hungry and there's nothing much to eat except the paraphrases or a hymn book for a treat. I've eaten the all honour and I've chowed beatitudes, but I can't say I've found them the tastiest of foods. I'm a wee cat moose. I haven't got a name, but I'm really quite contented. It's just my empty whim. So I'm hoping that some Sunday, would you mind about me, please? And bring me in your Bible just a wee bit of taste of cheese.